Okay, let's look at how to add your first links to LinkInBio. Go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, you will be able to go to any of your projects that you've created. And I'm going to go to my Get Started folder. And what we want to do is we're going to edit a current project link. Now, if you don't have one, you can create one. Now, I'm editing a Getting Started project. And what you want to do is, if you click on links, it'll show you what links you have in your LinkInBio page. So by default, we give you a starter one. So if you want to click that, you can edit the title of it. And as you can see on the right hand side, it updates in real time, showing you the way it will look on your phone. Now, if we wanted to create a new text link or a new link, we'll click this. We would give it the URL. So let's say we're going to link to Google. We'll add the URL. Now, once we've created the link, it shows up on the right, and you're going to want to customize it. So by clicking this, we can change this. So we'll say, hey, this is a Google link. Okay. So now we have a Google link. If you want to add an icon, you could add something to the front of it. Maybe, let's see if there's a Google link. Oh, there it is. There's Google. So now we've added a little icon in front of the link. You can change the text color. So if we wanted it to be red, if you want to change the background of the button, you can certainly do that same way. And then you have a few different other options. You can animate it. You can add a different border. And then that's about it. If you have the permissions, you can schedule this link to go live at a certain day or time. You can also add emojis if you're interested in doing that. All you have to do is paste your emoji in the actual name field. But that's how you would add a series of links. And then if you want to view this, you can go to copy your clipboard, and if you want to take a preview, and there you go. And this is what it would look like as a web page, and you can continue to build out more links. And that is the first tutorial on link building with your page. And then of course we'll go over more features in the next video.